Have you ever thought of financial independence, but don't know where on earth to start? Do you have an idea of where to start, but are having trouble getting over the fear, or you're unsure? Well, you came to the right place. I'm your host, John Mendez, real estate agent with Keller Williams, and I'm also an investor. This show is going to help you start your journey to wealth and keep on progressing. It's also going to help make the idea of wealth become obtainable and tear down a lot of the misconceptions tied to wealth. Lastly, I'm going to discuss many other topics such as mindset, self-improvement, and work-life balance to show that a wealthy life is more than just the money you make. They say the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So make sure to subscribe and join me as we walk to wealth. Make sure to tune in January 16th for the premiere and then every Sunday for new episodes.